hey folks, Ellie does most of our NDIS plan managed, agency managed, and even helping those that are self-managed.
Yeah.
If you have NDIS funds and you're not too sure about what you can and can't purchase in terms of the items that you can buy or even services that you can access, we've got a workshop. Well, it's actually 2 seminars coming up on the 27th of June, run by Sam Paior from the Growing Space, who in my view is an absolute authority. I've done a couple of her courses. Ellie, you get so many questions. Tell me about your day.
My day pretty much is just customers not knowing what they can and can't purchase, if items are going to be approved, what funding they even have, how to even spend it, really.
Yeah, for sure. Look, we know that there are so many people out there that maybe they've got funding and they're not using it because they don't feel confident or they don't know how, or maybe they keep running into roadblocks. Perhaps their plan manager is saying, no, you can't get that, no, you can't get that. You need to find out what you can and can't access, what you can and can't purchase, and what you can do if you're not happy about something as well. So what your rights are. Come along to the course. I promise it is absolutely fantastic.
So worth it.
Yeah, I've done it, and every time I do it, I actually learn something new. Sam is just an absolute authority. She's awesome. I promise you will feel empowered, knowledgeable, and more confident. So jump online. We're doing them in store.
Yeah.
There are some limited numbers for virtual, but you won't get the opportunity to ask questions and all that sort of stuff. So, because Sam's going to hang around after each session, so you can actually talk to Sam about your own individual circumstances. I'm sure you'll make Ellie's life easier too. If the orders are going through smoothly because people know what they can and can't purchase.
Yeah. We want happy customers.
Yeah, we do actually. Yeah. So there you go. 27th of June.